Yo, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my Panzer World Assault Galient from Wave Corporation in partnership with Academy Model Kits of South Korea. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this new version of the Assault Galient has to offer us. So there we go, we got here the Panzer World Panzer Blade Assault Galient 172 scale from Wave. And so we got to see this box art where the Galient here and Jordi, the pilot of this model kit or mobile suit or mecha, is seen outside the cockpit of the Galient, and around him are the remnants or the losers. These are the enemies of Galient. There we go, I got to see the kit here, which I had already, the Promaxis and those mecha around him. So side of the box we can see front view and rear view of the Galient. On the other side we can see the gimmicks where this kit can transform and separate into two entities. So we got here the upper torso, the bird mode, and the lower half, which is the tank. And so we got Jordi here, pilot figure that is seated on the cockpit. Okay, so if we open the box here, you can see the instruction manual. There we go, we got to see same picture of the Assault Galient from the box art, and this is the manual. There we go, we got to see how this thing is assembled, and as much as I already did this kit 2 years ago, this kit is really easy to build. The regular Galient that I built 2 years ago is really easy, so I didn't encounter any fitting issue with this kit because this is a really nice kit, but a bit flimsy, so you just need to be careful and have the guts to modify this kind of kit. Anyway, I like the print out of this manual where you can see colored prints, and this is this will make you build the kit not so stressful because of those color coded. This will really guide you to build the kit. So for beginners, this kit is a must buy, although it's a bit expensive. So we got to see the parts here. We got the pack here for white parts, yellow parts, black parts for the inner frame, black parts for the inner frame, red parts for the armor pieces, and we got some polycaps available for this kit. Also we got here this red parts. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit, and be very cautious with the plastic quality of this kit. This kit is definitely have the possibility to have stress mark because of this kind of bit soft plastic, and this is not in par with the Bandai quality of plastic, and as well as the bootleg quality is a bit sturdier and harder compared with the Academy model kits. So be very cautious because it tends to have stress mark. So we got runner J here, we got here runner M for the black parts for the inner frames, we got this yellow parts here, and another yellow parts for runner K. Then white parts, runner D for white and accent parts. Then we got this black parts for the inner frame, so this is runner G, 2 sets of runner G. Then we got this runner B here for inner frame parts. We got the runner C here for the inner frame parts. For the hand and sword parts, we got runner I. Then we got runner E for the red parts, and 2 sets of runner F for the red parts. What I admire with this kit is the kit doesn't have any stickers, so these are all color separated, which is very nice. Then we got here this kind of hard polycaps, but based on my experience, these polycaps tend to loosen up, so be very vigilant that you need to apply some joint tighteners on this kind of polycap. And we got this very small and tiny part here that is attached on the forehead, so extra cautious again when putting this thing here because you might lose this. So let's build this kit once and for all. And so we got the finished product of the Assault Galient from Wave and Academy plastic model kits. So this is just a new installment for the regular Galient, which I had before and I already made a review last year. So as you can see here, we got the regular Galient that I built 2 years ago and I reviewed last year there. So it's just the same technically, and the only new feature for this Assault Galient is the long cannon here and the shield. So we got here the shield and the shoulder cannon attached at the back, so it's visible here on the left shoulder. And what I notice is the color of this Assault Galient is a bit dull. The red is not that bright, it's a bit dull or with a pinkish glow compared from the original Galient, the regular one, the first release. It's a bit bright, the red is bright. So if we compare, this is a bit dull. I don't know if in the camera you can see the dullness, but in the naked eye, this one is really dull. The pink or the red looks like pinkish. This one is bright. So I will not focus on the articulation since I already did the review from this one. Okay, so let's just tackle the feature for this Assault Galient. So there we go, we got here the gun. So the gun is big with 4 barrels, 2 long barrels and 2 short barrels also. Then we got here handles and attachment for the tank mode or the shoulder cannon. We got here this kind of built-in cannon attached on the left shoulder and back part, which you can rotate upward like this, and then it can aim and fire at the enemies. And for the shield is really big, which is attached on the left arm. So the shield is also removable, and you can attach it on the tank mode. So it's connected via ball joint. So this one is the connector piece here. So if you remove this one, you can revert it back into this kind of piece here. So there, as you can see, there's this indented mark there, or piece there. So we can remove that and apply this piece here. Okay. And for the left leg, we got this hatch for the pilot, where he can ride on this basket and he can control the tank mode for this kit. So how can we do the tank mode and the jet mode? So actually you can do the transformation for the Big Hawk mode, which is also available in the regular Galient release, whereas you can also do this here on the Assault Galient. So for the tank mode and jet fighter mode, you can remove both legs. Okay, let's remove this one and this one as well. Okay, then we can put this, actually we need to remove these parts here, which is a bit problematic. Actually it's very hard to remove. So there, let's remove this. Also on the other side, you can remove these parts. Okay, there. You got these connector pieces. Okay, these connector pieces is very important because this will connect the legs through the gun. Okay, put it there. And also the other one, we got this connector piece. And attach it here. As you can see, there's the socket there for the peg. Then for the shield, you can open this and insert the cannon. There's a tab there where you can attach on or glide on those grooves. Okay. There we go. It's perfectly fine. Then this long peg here can be attached on these connectors. And presto, you got the Galient tank. And there, we got the hovering tank here. Then you got the pilot figure, standing figure for Jordi, but I didn't. I think I lost the Jordi figure. I put it in the trash. But this one, this is the tank mode. For the fighter mode, so all you need to do is realign this hands or the arms like this. Okay. Oops, this one is a bit tight. Okay, so the hand should be like this. Attach it here. Then you can see the joint there. You can insert it inside like that, like that also. And align it like this, so it will be looking like wings. Then insert this pieces here There. Also this one, the connector piece for the legs. There we go. Connector piece for the legs. Then put this thrusters. Okay, we got this thruster pieces here. Insert there. Then align this cannon, the back. Then turn the head inward or backwards, and then this eagle face here will cover the head like this. So now we got the Iron Falcon, or the Galient Falcon, which is very nice, much better compared with the Falcon that is attached also here on the lower half. So this one, it's really cool. You got here bazooka, or the cannon from the back, and here we got the Galient tank attached. So this is the main gun, the shield, and the lower half. So there. So let's put it together with the Galient regular, not the assault Galient. And there we go, we got all the Galient pieces here, just like that. So I lost the other kit, which is the Promaxis. It's not here with me for size comparison. But anyway, this is the assault Galient from Wave and Academy model kit. A must buy and very nice kit to include in your collection. See you next time.